Alright guys, KTM 85 SX rebuild. Let's get it. Oh! Alright, let's have a look at this spark plug. Oh! Oh no! Alright, let's see what we got. Crank that puppy over. A little ashy.
A little crusty, a little lean.
Alright, cylinders off. Everything looks good. We're going to get to breaking the glaze, cleaning this thing up, getting it prepped for the new piston. We've got a Vertex top end kit here, so let's see what it comes with. Alright, we got a piston, we got top end bearing, we got gaskets, O-rings, everything you need. Pretty good kit. Alright, fresh piston, everything cleaned up, everything measured out, looks good to go. Let's put it back on. X dimension's all good, checked it with the tool. Time for some new O-rings on top and throw this thing back together. Alright, let's go.